Oh! Right, so we have a Nerf gun, and I've just gone out and bought a shit ton of bullets. And normal bullets are like, they hurt when you get shot. Most of the time, they genuinely hurt. So we decided to take the pain factor up like by 10, and we've added thumbtacks to the bullets, and we're gonna shoot ourselves in the bare back because I'm moving lead. It's fun. So yeah,
Bit windy.
it's gonna fucking hurt.
Ah!
Oh, where was that?
Ah, around the shoulder blade.
Oh, is it? Oh, it's made a little mark right there. Oh, you can't fucking see.
You bastard. I felt that. I'm sorry. I genuinely felt that.
It's going. Oh, fucking look at him. Oh, look at that juiciness in there. Oh, come on.
It's really bad though because he hit me on the really thin part.
Oh, I think my shots have been the best so far. Alright.
My back hit it. Are you ready? Hang on, how far back here?
It's quite far back, yeah. Oh. Ah, that was a flop.
Make sure it's locked in there. What the fuck?
Do it how you were doing it before, see if that works. Because they were working before, weren't they? Oh! Just get better at aiming.
It's just my aiming, man.
Your aim is shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Shaking, man. I've never been so happy in my life, man. You know what? I'm getting to shoot Connor. You ready? Ow. Oh, I got one more. I got one more.
Fucking hell.
Turn around.
I haven't really done much.
No, you haven't really done much to be honest. You can't really tell.
Feel it though.
Can't really tell.
Oh, it's going to show up in a bit though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Probably.
You ready for your last one?
No.
Final round?
No.
Let's have a quick look again. Fucking hell, there's like what? Like 5 good ones there.
No!
Oh! That. Oh.
Mate, I'll tell you what. I'll let you do it on my bum. On my bum. When it comes.
What, pull your shot like on the last shot?
Yeah. On the
We both
no,
get a
no.
shot on your ass.
No. On the last one, I'll let you have one shot on my arse. After.
We both get a cheek each.
Yeah, cheeky.
Oh, he's
No,
good.
as long as I can do it to you.
I'm not having my ass shot.
Oh no one's getting it.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh! Oh!
Fucking same spot, man!
Oh!
Why did I get you?
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Come on, hurry up.
That's your
Oh, my 3. Here, take the camera.
What the fuck? Shall I walk in like this with you, mate?
Oh! Oh!
You bastard! I got 2 stuck in there!
Too nicely.
That is fucking. Is it focused?
Yeah, a little bit. Look at that. Can I pull one out?
I'm at it. I haven't done it yet. Love it. Cheers, guys.
Oh, ready? Gang.
Right in the belly.
Ow!
Oh, right in the back of the neck.
What the fuck, man?
Did I get you in the face?
You fucking ass! Morgan's
Go.
go.
Your 3.
Oh, is it?
Ow, you stop hitting me at the side!
Is it loaded?
You need to fucking. Oi!
I could hear you getting further.
Ah! Oh, it's juicy.
Ah!
Oh! Oh, if all 3 fucking stuck in then. Right, hang on. Come on, let's grab one each. Oh, and.
Ow, you stabbed me with it! Mate, I fucking love this.
Oh, this is fucking so fun.
I don't love this.
Back again with Condog.
the mic. Check 1, 2. Yo, we know we're through on the gang, 1, 2. Yeah. We've got a chap over here, you know what to do. Big fish, little fish, cardboard box. Everybody knows. Well, we fight like orthodox. Alright, anyway. What? No! Alright, go. God, they look worse.
Shoot it already!
Alright, anyway. Let's do this. He's in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. You bastard, you nearly hit me.
Yeah. Oh, it's me.
Yeah.
Is it loaded?
Yeah. Oh. Yes. Yes. Ready. You Snapchatting this first?
Yeah.
Oh my
Look at that.
You know on my phone as well. Oh my fucking god. I'm drinking later as well.
Oh yeah, you'll be fine.
He's gonna do beer shots. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Shooting him. Shooting him in the ass. We've got a blank first. And then we've got a thumbtack.
Can't wait to see how this is.
Yay. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right. Okay.
Completely missed.
Oh, that was a blank.
Oh!
You bastard!
That's it for today's video.
Gonna do more shit like this. Or cause more pain.
Get to me.
Well,
Yeah.
to all of us, really.
Like, subscribe.
Yeah. Comment like what you want us to fucking shoot each other with next, or how to cause more pain.
Bring it back.